Hello, you are very welcome. This is the Forex Rafa live trade session. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's make our community bigger. You're very welcome. Let's begin. Let's analyze the markets. Come on, community. Come on, guys. You're all welcome. Let's trade for a while. Let's be professional. Let's spread this market. Let's see what is going on. We have beautiful opportunities coming. Look at that. I won't be sending signals for now. When we're just analyze, just watch the markets. Let's see the action. Look at this. Good opportunity, guys. I'll just show you. I'll just cry out loud for you to make good, interesting trades. Okay? We are going to browse deeper. We're going to browse the 5 minutes. We're going to browse the 30 minutes as well. Many of you like to trade the 5 minutes and the 30 minutes, which I agree can be good opportunities, can be a good spot to go, right? From here to here, we have already 15 minutes. Sorry, 15 pips. AUD CAD, it's one of the best pairs to trade alongside AUD USD. AUD pairs, they have interesting economic news. In fact, the CPI, the American CPI, was good for the trading community because the dollar got weakened because they have the analysis that the CPI was good for inflation, was good for the American economics, and which means that the Fed, the Federal Reserve, will not push the interest rates higher. So, which means that probably the strength of the dollar we're gonna be weaker alongside this week. Okay, so let's greeting guys who are here. We have 3 good souls alongside with me. We have already chat. Ed Bennett, hi, how are you, Ed? Very nice to hear from you. Let's wait for the community to join. I'll be sending another message to the group. We are live. Wait. Jamila Thomas, how are you, Jamila? Where are you from, Jamila? I think I have never seen you here, or you didn't send any message yet. Where are you from, Jamila? Bald Hat Prophet, what's up, Rafa? How are you? Joseph, my friend, Cold War 13, good morning, community, good morning for everyone. Robert Reeds is here with us as well. Everybody here. Nice. I'm good. I'm very good, Jamila Thomas. North Carolina, beautiful place to be. Very nice. I'm from Rio, a lot of rain over here. A tropical cyclone over here. I'll send a picture from my window, from my balcony. I live here on the 17th floor of a beauty condo here in Rio, and I really like the rainy days because the sea got very angry. Uh, the wind and the clouds and everything just produce a beautiful scenario. Of course, the sunny days are the best, but I really enjoy a cloudy, rainy day. It gives me some calm, some tranquility. I really like to trade in this kind of days. Shade Bennett from Jamaica. Hello, Shade Bennett from Jamaica. Very nice. We have persons, people allow to send message. You can bring your concerns. You can bring, yeah, I love rain as well, Jamila. I love rain as well. It brings me some calm. some easiness. Cold War is from California. Interesting place. Very nice place. California, beautiful. Where in California? Are you in Santa Monica? Are you in LA? I have been to Riverside also. Uh, okay, guys, let's go. Let's analyze the pairs. We have 9 brave souls around here. AUD USD. Look, we have the opening of the American market. That's why I would like to wait for a while. I don't like to place trades. I don't like to produce any kind of signals around the clock because we always had some kind of shakiness. Okay, look at that. We have this beautiful red bar, which means we have strength volume to downside. Okay, even though we are on a buy territory, and you know already why we are on a buy territory, because we have this green background, we have the blue ADX coming up. Okay, we have the green moving average here on the triple cross, which was a beautiful triple cross. If you'd like to jump into this trade, for instance, you would be allowed to do that. It would be around 20 pips. Okay, 20 pips. It's a very good amount of pips for a scalping. I strongly advise you to do not go over 20 pips on the scalping session, because we have shaky markets, right? So we should not be greedy. We should be to try to go easy, right? Spot the opportunities, spot the good ones. But if you are a scalper trade, you should go for 20, 15, 25 pips, depending on the move. Okay, if we have ADX above 25, for instance, you could probably go for 30 pips or 25 pips. But ADX, at the point that you could jump into the trade, it wasn't that big. It was around 25. Okay, that was the AUD cat. AUD chief. Well, let's see our signal. I sent a signal early, which was this signal over here. We have this opening. Okay, we have this opening around here, and I sent the signal GBP chief around 1.1495. We have already 15 pips in positive territory. Who from the group jumped into this trade? Who from the group jumped into this trade? Come on. Jose, Riverside, not far away from me. Oh, very nice. Very nice. I have been in Riverside University. It's around Riverside. Very nice, interesting place. Very, very interesting place. Um, who from you jumped into the GBP chief? If you did jump, you're gonna make money, my friend. You're gonna make money. Definitely gonna make money. Chief is strong. Regarding some concerns about the Russian euro situation. So we're probably going to have a downtrend movement from the USD pairs. Okay. USD is getting stronger as well. The Swiss franc. Okay. Let's analyze the pairs. Let's wait for the trade to get placed. Okay. AUD chief, look at that. Bouncing back. Those movements are the scalper movements. Always on the beginning of the sessions, we have bouncings from certain regions because the scalpers took place, right? They have positions around here. Okay, they have set positions around here. So prices went up, went down, went up, went down. Those are the buy and the sell positions that they placed, right? Let's analyze from the 15 minutes. I think it's more reliable for us. I would like better the 1 hour, you know that, but look, this is just a consolidation period. If you have a magnifying glasses from here, if we do a magnifying glasses from here, it's just going to the lower time frames. So you think this is a huge movement, right? It seems a huge movement, but in fact, it's just a consolidation period. Okay, that's a big movement. This is just consolidation. Okay, but when we see it through magnifying glasses, it seems to be strong and reliable movements, but they are just, you can trust, they are just consolidation period. Look at that. It's very clear that we have around here a resistance and around here a support. Okay, So what we should analyze from here? Of course, we just should understand that it would be better suited for us to make a downtrend below, if we have a candle closing below this area, and a buy trend, which I shouldn't advise you for, because we are on a very mixed situations here. You should wait for that candle to close above this area. What does it mean, Rafa? It means that it has strength enough to break this resistance, okay? And this resistance will go to another place that we don't know. But for now, we just wait for that to happen, right? We should be careful because we should analyze markets in a smart way. That's a smart decision. That's an act decision, okay? That's a decision that we take analyzing everything. You should not mix your analysis. I'm just giving you another instruments to analyze markets, okay? That's what I have from my experience and the experience of the experienced traders. That's what they do as well, okay? You should, of course, stick to your trade strategy, okay? You just should tweak and twist that for a better situation. Look how prices are bouncing back this area. So what you should do from here, you should wait for that candle to close below this area. What didn't happen yet, look at that. That candle, let me zoom in. That candle forced that area and got rejected. The other candle, this live candle here, got down, went down, but got rejected. Now it's going up again. But even though there is no strength on this, it's just going upside, up and down with no decision. Okay. Let's see on the charts if we have any questions. Come on. Joseph missed the trade. These fashion services. Oh my God, I got amazed with your aliases. T Fashion Service. Where are you from, T Fashion? I haven't seen you here. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel. This is pretty much important, guys. I'm giving you just free education. I just asking you to hit the like button to spread this word out, okay? Joseph, why did you miss the trade? Was you sleeping? There was a problem, okay? That's something that happens on our signal group. It's impossible to make every trader comfortable because we have different time zones. We are in different parts of the world, so it's almost impossible to accommodate all the interests. Okay, so let's just go easy on that. Yeah, you was sleeping. Yeah, it's a good decision. There's no problem. You have enough. You have plenty of time to collect beautiful pips, excellent trades. Don't worry about it. The fashions from Liberia, West Africa. That's the land of the legendary Georgie Weah. Isn't it? The fashions, Georgie Weah, one of the best African players of all time, have won the gold boot in 1905, and I think he was present. Yes, isn't it? He got elected. I think he was present from Liberia. Yeah, I think that. Very nice having you over. Fashion Services, you're very welcome. London is at midnight at my time zone. Yeah. So if you are a late sleeper, Joseph, maybe you could have some, couple of minutes, couple of hours. You could play some good trades, but if you're not, you should trade the Asian session, right? The Asian pairs. We should always try to mix the pairs that we are going to trade with the time session we can be trading, right? That's the difficult combination that we should be trying to look for. So let's skip it. Look at that. AUDJPY is pushing, but we just gotta wait. AUDNZD, let me zoom out. I don't like that. Look how messy is this. You just should stay away from it. Just stay away from it. We have much easier situations here. Look at that, like this one. Look how the candles test the moving average, or they go over and they go down, they go up and they go down, but they are on that region. And sometimes the moving average works perfectly as a support. Look how this candle tested this and then retrace. So it could be a very beautiful entry from here. I didn't send that signal because it was too early here in Brazil, but it was already a 25 pips move. Okay, nothing bad. Bitcoin, I strongly advise you against trading Bitcoin, but the system works as well. Caddy Chief could be an interesting trade from here. You have pinkish background everywhere. Okay, right now we would be modestly with just 18 pips around here, 15 pips. We just should wait. Our stop loss would be around this area over here, so we should be safe. Okay, CAD-JPY, that's a good pair to trade. Look, beautiful triple cross here, ADX pointing up, and we are already on 58 pips. What about that, guys? 58 pips. Nothing bad, huh? Nothing bad. Look, another pullback trade. Hey, look, that's a beautiful example about what I was talking to you about resistance and support. Okay, let's take that for analysis. We have this resistance, and then we have this support. And we have that for a long period. Okay, look, up and down, down, up, 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 in the middle, down, 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 up, down, poof. From the moment it crosses that support, it went up, it tested the support, wasn't strong enough to go back to this area and then start to go down. That's a perfect example. I told you to wait for the candle to break that area. As soon as it breaks this area, you should place your trade, and now you could be in a good and very prosperous profit situation. Already 15, you could be on safe territory for now, with a beautiful ADX pointing up, with a beautiful triple cross splitting from each other. It's a very, very good trade. Okay, that's a good example for what I was talking to you about. Wait for the support and resistance, that consolidation area to break. Let's see the DXY. That's the driven of the dollar. Well, seems to go down. Seems to go down. Euro AUD consolidating, maybe waiting for to break that resistance. Can you see, guys? Again, what I was talking to you about. Okay. Can you see that on the chart, guys? Am I seeing that alone, or can you see that again for yourself? Can you see that for yourself? Please tell me yes or no. The fashion service. Yes, he's president. Oh yeah. I know something. I know something about that. I know something about political situations, economical situations. I'm a journalist. Georgie Weah, beautiful and great football player, soccer player. He played for Milan, and he was one of the best players in the world, the best African player by far. How do I job your channel? Well, there's a link on the description area. You can browse around. You can make part of our group. Is that an easy trading system? No, it's not the easy trading system. That's the system I came up with. It's completely free. It's completely open. You can trade for yourself for free. How good does it sound, my friend? How good does it sound? I just going to give you some mentorship if you want. If you're going to be interested, that's only what I'm going to ask you is to join the group. But if you don't like, there is a problem. You can trade for yourself and take good opportunities like this one. Look, AUD CAD, triple cross, pointing up, and you would be already on 40 pips positive territory. Do you like the sound of that? I really like. Euro JPY going down. Look at that, trying to break that area. Again, we have a resistance over here, and it's a long resistance, right? The longer the resistance, the harder it is to break, okay? Harder to break. And what we have here is a break-in resistance. Okay, up and down, up and down, up and down, down. Here we place the trade. Are you following me, guys? Sometimes I got worried because maybe this stuff is just very it's very automatic to me already, but maybe it's not for everyone. But so that's why I got worried, because I don't want everybody left behind. So those are just technical analysis. That's what I'm supposed to do here with you, technical analysis. And that's what I try to show you, okay? I would like to give my experience, all of my knowledge, all of that I was struggling years ago to understand, to master, and I'm just giving you a shortcut for the success, okay? Robert Reed and Bennett, great, you're following me. This fashion, yeah, not a good president. Okay, not a good president. Not a good president. Not a good president. The fashion, you do not get my system. The system is ours. Okay, it's not mine. It's for free. What I would like you to do is to be part of our Forex for Life group, which is a free group where I post information, where I post commentaries and other things. And there we have a pinned message where you can have the indicators that we plot on the screen, okay? And from there, you can place your own trades. There's a link for the first video that I posted, teaching the guys, teaching everybody how to, how to trade this system. And from there, it's free. You can trade for free. That's a free system. I'm just sick of paid systems, okay? That we have always to buy other indicators, buy other algorithms, buy other, scanners and everything. I'm just got sick of it. So I decided to make my own system. I was sick of MT4 platform, MetaTrader 4 platform, just into this into 90s, from the 90s. I just hate that. I think it's much better trading on TradingView. And that's what is going to happen from now on, okay? Euro USD, sorry, was a good trade as well. Too early in the morning to send my signals, but good entry from here, okay? And I'm going to post a video today talking about the economic events and how they can impact on our trade, and how can the system almost predict what was going to happen. Almost predict. Look, that was the CPI candle from yesterday. How the hell the system know that it was going to be up? How the hell the system know from the early hours of the day that it could be a up movement? How the hell the system do that? Guys, I just can measure right now the strength of the system. I just can't. I just don't understand for now what is going on. What's the strength of that? Like, are you familiar with the Darwin theory, the evolution theory from Charles Darwin? He wasn't enough aware of how strong the system could be as well. His discovery, how strong it could be, how strong it could impact the humanity. Of course, I don't have the pretension to be like Charles Darwin, of course not. But what I like to say that it's the feeling that you discover something that you just don't know the power of it already. Look at this GBP AUD trade for now. Look at that. 153 pips in a matter of 24 hours. That's more than enough for a week, for a whole week. That's huge. That's big. That's very impressive. And it's coming for more, right? It's coming for more. It's incredible. Let's take a look at our trade. Struggling very. Look, there is a clearly support here. What do you need, guys? We need our strength to go stronger than this support and break it. That's why my first take profit is 170 pips. Sorry, 1.1470. Okay, for now it's testing the moving average. It's testing the moving average. But the strength of that sometimes just amazed me. Look how beautiful this entry can be. Perfect triple cross around here. Perfect ADX pointing up. Pinkish background. 4 hour going up, which is a stronger indicator. And you just place your trade around this candle here, on the close of this candle. Already 60 pips. Guys, how many pips did I show you from the beginning of the session? How many pips? It was a lot of pips, isn't it? So this is strong business, guys. Strong business. Well, if you'd like to make part of our group, if you are not part of our group, that's the link that you should be visiting. Okay. We send signals. We send Forex insights, important news, and many things. Just join our community, join our family. You're gonna be more than welcome. And I think this is just the beginning of a huge upside movement that we're gonna have on our Forex careers. Okay, I'm very excited about how much money we can make with this system. It's just amazing. Let's keep the analysis. I unfortunately I have to go around 9. Now in Brazil it's almost 10 o'clock. In the United States it's 9 o'clock. So yeah, I have to be out at 9:30. Maybe we have 20 minutes more. So guys, if you have questions, please fire it up. We should be going in 25 minutes. Okay. Again, guys, the same situation here. I strongly advise you to understand that how is that working. Okay. Strongly advise you how is that working. Look at that. Have a support and resistance over here as well. And then when it got broke, the trade could evolve. Look at that. Almost 60 pips already. Okay. That's a very interesting analysis. You're not gonna see that around there. Break the resistance, move an average, make it that close, wait for that close, and then you place your trade. 61 pips, not bad. And I think it's coming for more. Okay, GBP USD very sideways from now. We have a strong support here, strong resistance here, a strong support here. Again, the same situation. Let's just wait for that area to break. Okay. For that, we need more volume on the market. We don't have any important news coming, so let's wait for that situation to go over. Okay. NZD CAD was a very interesting pair to trade. Look at that. The same situation here, a support here, sorry, a resistance here, a support over here. The candle that break that support was, sorry, that resistance was this one. And then trade is developing itself. Okay. And the chief, it's consolidating, and the GJPY very, very sideways. Look at that. Sideways. Just stay away from this. Stay away from it. And the D was deep, a good upside movement. Okay. It could be trading from here. And yeah, would be around 40 pips, 32 pips. Not bad, not bad at all. USD Chief, good pair to trade as well. Look at that. Test the moving average and then went down again eventually. Broke that support over here and then is developing itself. That's the oil prices. That's the driven for the CAD. It's driven by economical supplies and demand intentions. And it's very important. That's the driver for the CAD pairs. Okay. All right, guys, let's come back to the group. Deep Fashions, do you have a Telegram group? Yes, it's right over here. It's right over here. I'm going to show you here. That's the group. You should be part of it to watch the information that I post, the news, the economic calendar, trading insights, maybe some good chances. I do not send signals. That's just for the signal group. Of course, that's paid group. It's our inner circle for the triple cross system. Okay. And I think that's a good moment for you to trade. We are closing the vacation period, right? The holidays period. Many traders are on they are vacation for now, but the vacation is almost in the end. We have the school calendar coming back, so parents are coming back as well. So we're gonna have much more liquidity on the markets, and that sideways situations that we have been facing for, a couple weeks. Maybe it's gonna end. I hope that's gonna end. It happens many times of the year, and that's absolutely normal. Okay. Okay, guys, do you have questions? Do you have any questions? Did you already hit the like button? If you do not, please hit the like button. It's very important for us here. I think you're already sleeping. You're very quiet for now. Maybe I am just speaking too much, isn't it? AUG CAD seems to go up again. Tested this moving average and then go up. Let's go down to the 5 minutes to analyze it better. Better perspective from a magnified glasses, okay? We have ADX losing steam, which is not good for the upside movement. There is no support and resistance. It's a open road to go. AUD Chief is struggling a little bit in this on this channel, this consolidation channel. AUD JPY, AUD NZD not seem very nice. AUD USD on the same situation from AUD CAD. Bitcoin seems to go on the rooftop. I strongly advise you against to trade Bitcoin, but if you might like, go ahead. You're grown-up persons. You can do whatever you want. The system works. That's only what I have to say to you. CAD JPY is now consolidating. Let's wait for a while. Chief JPY have break that support. Now it's trying to test again the support and the moving average. DXY is still on the downtrend. We have ADX still pointing up. Euro AUD consolidating. We have a luring ADX that is going down. It's pointing down, so that's why we are seeing up sides from now, a pullback maybe. Uh, EuroCAD, let's see EuroCAD consolidating, strong consolidation, and the ADX now it's going curved. It's going curved, which means that maybe the upside is going to lose steam. Euro Chief, after a strong down movement, this big candle, which Oliver Velez, one of the most famous traders of the world, used to call elephant bars. I don't I don't like that name at all. Elephant bars, but they means that, and I have already told you about this. When we have an elephant bars like that, that shows a very strong movement from the direction of that candle. But almost certain that the candles will test the 50% of this candle, of the elephant candle. That's the Rafa from Brazil, from the Forex Rafa hint that I give you. Almost 100% of the times that we have an elephant bar, we have a retest, a bounce back from into the 50% of the elephant bars. Okay, that's the kind of information that I'm gonna give you on this live sessions. Okay, Euro JPY going down. Look how the candles are testing the last support, and they are testing the last support with one objective, with one main goal. Try to see if this can become a resistance. You should write that down, guys. You should write that down. After a strong down movement where we have a break support, that former support level are tested because maybe it can become a resistance, a new resistance. Okay. These sessions, how much is for group free to join? How much is your group fee to join? Oh, okay, it's $49. Okay, $49 recurrent payment, and you have 6 to 8 signals a week. You're gonna be absolutely paying for that with just the signals. We make much more money. Okay. And of course, you do not have only that, you have a free mentorship with me. As soon as you join, you send me a message and we can arrange our schedule, and you have a one mentorship for free. Okay. So let's keep going. Euro JPY, look, test it and now it's going down. Euro NZD, same situation here. Look, that support is now being tested because maybe it can become a new resistance. Okay, over here, it's now being tested. Are you following me, guys? Robert, Ed Bennett, are you still there? T Fashions, Jamila, Cold War, Bald Head Prophet. Are you following me, guys? Are you following the analysis? Please, if you're not, feel free to join me and ask. Okay, ask your questions. That's why I'm here. We're here to talk to each other. We're here to release our pains, release our emotions, release our doubts, our concerns, our questions. Okay, that's why is this live session for. Okay, Ballhead, right? Ballhead's still here. Great. Robert, just looking at the charts with me. Great, great. Thank you, Robert. T Fashions still here as well. Great, great, guys. Great, excellent. Um, Euro NZD, that's the situation. Euro USD, let's see. Yeah, we have, let's see if we have this. Maybe we don't have this kind of situation here with a lot of wicks. We should try to look back and see if there is a support in this area, right? Let's see if there is a support in this area. Uh-oh. Yeah, no, I can tell this is a support. This can be a support, Okay, that's a support. And it's a long support. Came from yesterday. Right? So maybe we should wait for that candle to be strong enough and break the support, and then we can place another good trade after the candle closed above that resistance. Okay, that's the lesson, guys. That's the lesson you should be taking from this live session here. GBP that's as well the same thing here. That's a support over here. Let's wait for this candle to close. GBP CAD testing the moving average for an upside movement. Whoa, GBP Chief is developing. Look, that's our trade. That's our trade. Let's hope for that to break that support and go over. We're from a downtrend. We are for a downtrend. Our take profit, it's 1.1470. 1470. That's the signal I sent this morning. That's almost a 25 pip profit from this first take profit step. You should be in profit for now if you took this trade, okay? You should be around 20 pips. You could raise your, you could drag your stop loss to the entry point, okay, to break even. GBP JPY consolidating as well. Maybe it's going for a down, but I don't like this ADX curving. This curving ADX, it's the opposite from the GBP Chief, where the ADX is going up. Oh, great, great, great. Let's hope for that candle to close below, because that's the indication that our trend is going to go. Right, guys? All right, guys? And that's interesting, because if you go to the 15 minutes, the support, it's the same, right? It doesn't matter the candle, doesn't matter the time frame, which is important. It's the area. Let's go, GBP Chief. GBP JPY, GBP NZD, the same situation. They're testing the moving average over here, which can work as a support. GBP USD. Let's jump to the NZD CAD. Or that's the NASDAQ, that's the NZD CAD. Curving ADX, which I don't like, but well, it doesn't mean that you should be going out of this trade, because it could be rearrange itself to go up. I like this growing thin line on the green background, which means the 4-hour is becoming more strong to the buy side. NZD Chief, nothing much interesting. NZD JPY, look at the mass of the NZD JPY. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Guys, you just should stay away from it, okay? Of course, we are looking at the charts with magnifying glasses, but if you go to the 1 hour, it's still messy as well. It's still messy as well. Messy, completely messy. You just should stay away from that, okay? Look at the backgrounds, changing colors. Look at the moving average with no direction, small candles. Oh God, terrible. NZD USD on the opposite, it's a very clear uptrend. Again, guys, that's the candle from the CPI, yesterday's CPI. How in the hell does the system knew that it was going up? Tell me, guys, how the hell the system knew that was going up? I don't know the strength of this system. I still don't know. That's what I'm talking to you about. Okay, guys, Robert Reed, the fashion still here as well. Bullhead Profit getting a better grasp of the system. Exactly, Bullhead Profit. It's awesome. I absolutely agree with you. Antonio here with us, a very loyal member as well from our group. Thanks, Rafa. It's my pleasure, Antonio. GBP AUD, T's Fashion Services ask. GBP AUD, come on, let's see that. Well, it seems a good entry on the downside, but not now because that signal it's already happening. Wait for the next. Wait for the next. What can I tell you? I just think you should wait for the next. Okay. GBP Chief. Let's close with GBP Chief. Yeah, the candle closed below this support area. Now we hope that this candle will go over and over and will hit our take profit on 1.1470. Okay. Guys, it was a good and excitement to be here with you. Thank you very much for all of you that hit the like button, all of you that attend the live session. We had 10 likes, but we have 14 persons watching the live. If you would like further assistance, if you need further assistance, don't hesitate, get in contact with me, okay? And we are going to be more than happy to help you, to assist you, okay, guys? Thank you, everybody. Thanks, Robert Reed. Thank you, Antonio. Thank you, T's Fashion from Liberia. Thank you, Ballhead Prophet. I really have to go, otherwise I'll be still here with you. I just enjoy very much to watch the news with you and of course the charts and the possible trades and giving you more information about the trading experience. Thank you, Ed Bennett. Thank you, Jamila. Thank you, Cold War. And Chade Bennett from Jamaica. Very nice, very nice. It's very interesting to see that we have a lot of traders around the world. Okay, let's take a look at this GBP Chief. I'm gonna leave you for now. There will be a new video on the channel late today. Don't hesitate to watch it, to subscribe, and to share it with all of the members of the group and all the persons that you maybe understand that could like this information. That information could be valuable for them. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Good trading session for you. I'm leaving for now. I'm more than happy. Okay, we'll come back tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.